How to change an object's color in Photoshop. Import your image and make a proper selection of what you want to change. You can edit your selection in quick mask mode using the shortcut Q for a better selection. When done, expand your selection to ensure every area is well selected. Then go to the adjustment layer and select the solid color panel. Choose the color you want and change the blending mode to color. Place the solid color layer in a group and place the mask on the group layer. Create a levels and curves adjustment layer and adjust till you are satisfied. Once done, you can change the color of the dress to anything you want.